Yeah, welcome to Higher Education Lecture Series. So this lecture I'm presenting the difference between a faculty and a staff. So you can reach me on this YouTube or watch me on this YouTube. Let's define the purpose of a university system. So the university can be defined as a community of teachers and scholars who commit themselves to dissemination of knowledge through teaching and its acquisition through learning, research, and scientific inquiry. The university also for educating, teaching, transferring knowledge to students. So the university scholar participates in activities both at the local and international arena to contribute to the development of the society and the world at large. Introduction. So there are many people involved in educational institutions that help in successfully imparting education to the students. This includes both the academics and the non-academic workforce. So in this context, we often talk about the term faculty and the staff. So what do you mean by a faculty? A faculty refers to the academic staff of institution. So we mean body of educators, teachers, lecturers, researchers, scholars and professors of different academic ranks such as associate professor, assistant professor, and various levels whose aim is to impart knowledge to learners at the school, college or university. So they are specialized in various fields of study and teach different subjects at different institutions. By staff, we mean administrative staff of the organization. So we have the three types. We have the top level staff, such as administrators, the dean directors, the presidents. Different countries may have different nomenclature. We have the middle level staff, including those employees who perform in-office jobs and support functions like counselors, cashier, assistants, and so on. So they are responsible for looking after admission, security, paperwork, and documents. Then we have the lower staff that include the watchman, the security, servant, gardener, cleaners, and so on. Now, concerning the faculty working hour, faculty members often have irregular working hours. So depending on the class schedule, office hours, research, and other teaching duties, some teachers or professors may only work certain days or work on a certain amount of hours in the day. Some of the teachers' duties might occur at home, like grading assignments, or planning lessons. So for professors, students often require a certain level of accessibility throughout the day. So many professors provide contact information like their emails to students that can reach out for questioning. So what we have here is a comparison chart for faculty and versus staff. The meaning. So you can see that the working hours actually is a point of interest, which many Nigerian universities does not actually take, especially the private ones, does not take into cognizance. The working hour of the faculty, if you look at that chart, they are irregular, but irregulars, a staff has irregular, let's say 9 to 5 job. The faculty works beyond this working hours depending on their various functions. So in conclusion, the working hours of faculty extend way beyond the normal working period into their homes during research, marking and other exercises. Any institution granting faculty rigidly is converting them to a staff. The faculty is not the same thing as a staff. These are my references. These are just what I'm able to do together. If you have any inquiries about questions, you can still email me. Thank you and God bless.